Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever faced the challenges of inconvenient RV hookups, you know exactly how frustrating it can be. That's why we're kicking off an exciting 10-part series where we take you along our journey of moving our RV hookups to a much more convenient spot. In this first episode, we're going to talk about the why and the where. Why we decided that we need to move our RV spot, and where we plan to move these hookups to enhance our RV living experience. Previously, every time when we had to dump our black and gray water, we would have to move our RV over to where our solar panel was, hook up, and then we would move it back. That has to change. And the way that we can get that to stop is by extending these lines out and making pretty much a spot for the RV to be permanent. So what I did is I painted 3 rocks, and those are going to be where the 3 pedestals for water, septic, and electric are going to be. And then during the conversation back and forth with me and Naomi, we decided that we wanted it big enough that we could fit a vehicle between the shipping container and the RV when it's there. And that alleviates me having to squeeze between with the skid steer or whatever to go toward the back of the property. It gives us plenty of room to go back and forth. So that's the reason we picked kind of this general area.
Lined up to the well? Oh, lined up to that. Okay.
You can tell if they're lined up to the well by standing over there and looking down the line. So a lot of this at this point is just us going back and forth, me and Naomi, trying to make sure that everything is in a straight line from the well to these rocks, as well as parallel to the shipping container. And now here we are, getting that classic Naomi look. I am not amused. Once we got a general idea, we kind of referred to looking at the drone footage to verify that we had everything in a straight line and that we had it the proper distances and where everything's sitting. And this is what it kind of came to look like. I will also add that it was really convenient to have the drone to be able to have footage like this and see how this looked from different angles. So the next steps is we had to kind of lay out where we were going to run our septic extension, because I originally wasn't planning on doing anything as far as angles goes. I was going to do a straight shot, but because that where we ended up putting it, it needed a 45-degree angle, so we had to get out some string and get out a little protractor to see where we were going to put that elbow at. We ended up going with one single 45 to get it from point A to point B. So the final step that we did in this video is we used the string to go from point A to point B and then marked it using marking paint. And that gave us exactly where we needed to start digging. And there we have it. Part 1 of 10. Thanks for sticking around. We appreciate it. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate hearing from you. Thanks.